The administrative system in Pakistan has been divided by a number of divisions. For example, the country is headed by the federal level, which is the capital, federal capital. Then it is divided into number of provinces. For example, Punjab, KPK, Sindh, Baltistan, Balochistan. So then there are provincial levels. Then each province is divided into number of divisions. Number of divisions. For example, Rawalpindi division, Lahore division, Malakand division. Now these divisions are further divided into number of districts. One division might have many districts. Then each district is further divided into tehsils. This is even a smaller unit in district. And then each tehsil is divided into union councils. So this is a simple system of administration in Pakistan, starting from the federal level. Federal is then divided into provinces. Each province is further divided into number of divisions. One division is further divided into number of districts, and district is further divided into number of tehsils, and then tehsils are further divided into number of union councils. Now, for some of our problems or some of our concerns, we go to this union council. For example, if we need a birth certificate or a death certificate, we are going to go here. Again, we are also part of some tehsil, and then we are also part of some district. We are also part of some division, some province, and then eventually we are part of this federal level, which is Pakistan. So we are citizen of Pakistan, but we belong to some province. Then we belong to some division. Then we belong to some district, some tehsil, and then we are part of some union council. For example, our vote is made at the union council level, but we are selecting people, MPAs, for the provincial level and MNAs for the federal or the national level.